Let's go to the beach, eat. Let's get away. That's what I say, energy. Yeah, bitch like me is hard to get by. The patrol, oh, let's get out. Ooh. I'm at the beach. First time makitag dagat diring dapita. Do you see that? That's the sea. Ang bago kitag dagat. There's Australia, minatay. Manila ang dagat diri. Yeah, dayon dito. Oh, di man siya puti. Brown man, wag yuta. Oh, na mag yuta ni ng balas. Nangita og may idagsa. May nagpapalutang-lutang. I'm just peacefully floating here. She don't mind me. Ano ba siya? Ang taon tabi, bugnaw nilang tubig. Di man? Charot mo na bitaw. Look now. Let's go to the beach. Each, let's go get away. Ah! Woo! Hello, everybody. So, from my previous clips, nilakaw na po ta, magsalag-salag na po ko. So I just did another interview just like yesterday, and yeah, it's here. It's a little bit far, but it's okay. And yeah, so I'm right here at the beach because the where the interview was or where the store was is right here by the beach. I mean, it's not by the beach, but it's near the beach. It's just a walk to the beach. So yeah, I think that's gonna be okay. The work, and it's with dogs, so I think I'm gonna give. I think that's alright. So yeah. That's the beach. Whoop, sorry. But there. Ulit na po ko lang hapon kay mood to na. Ay, laban lang try. Laban lang. So we're walking. Uli na ta. Mawala taon niya na. Abat sa dito eh. Right siya day ana. So, naglalakad lang ako sa dito sa Dalampasigan. I'm just walking because we're going home already. It's already almost 11 and I want to take the 11:15 bus. So yeah, may gym sila dito. Parang gusto ko nito. Tumira, choice. Kita niya, outdoor gym. Shala.
The sky is changing from indigo into blue, and I am changing too, for the first and the last time. The earth is trembling, and I am trembling too. It makes me feel alive. It's the only thing I know. There's a winding road behind me, a straight path ahead. Will you come with me to the water's edge? We'll sink into the shoreline and slowly disappear into it all, as it always was, as it really is. As it always was. As it really is. And there's a wildfire behind me, an orchard ahead. Will you come with me and taste all of it? We'll turn into magpies.
Yes guys, hello. This is an impromptu vlog. I never thought of filming today, but here I am, I'm filming. I just alright, so I just had I don't know if you call it an interview, because that was so quick, with a cafe. So he wants me to come back on Sunday and do a trial shift. So we'll see how that goes. So right now I'm going to another work, which is at the pet shop. So supposedly I will be starting on 11. Yeah. No. Ato ko siya kagala ko doon raman dere sa akong gi-interviewhan. So gala ko I think it's still mga 9 mag 9:30 pa siguro. So I think that's enough time for me to walk there. Na ano ka ba?
And fly on the fiery wind above it all. As it is. There's a winding road behind me, a straight path ahead. Will you come with me to the water's edge? will dance for forever and slowly disappear into it all. As it always was, as it really is. Into it all.
Is what you call cherry blossoms? Naitik pa charang balay. Char naitik pa charang balay. Let's go to the beach. First time na ako makalakawin ani. Kananda ko ba? Anansyada. Sulhit ni nga beach. This is not like the beach that I've went to before. So this is different. So yeah, di na ako makatalayo na kaayo. Kaya eh. So pretty. So update. Dalakaw Japon ko. Ayan sa patong work sa pet shop. Oh. Yeah, dalakaw ko walking along the beach. Sheesh. Ano ito mo? Ito mong lagi ko hani. Nakapag-video ako ng kung ano-ano dito. So siguro magulo tong video na to. Diba? Pauwi na ko after work and interview. Nitid kaya akong dalang yan. Lagyo ang gandang lagyo ng suga ba. So, naipart na, murag ngit-ngit.